Hi, I'm from Akamai developers. We are here at GIDS, talking to lots of developers with lots of fruitful conversation and demo. We are very glad to be here. A lot of people either never heard of Akamai or knew very little about it. When we tell them about our products, our scale, they are amazed. They literally want to try out more. They're asking about our prices, and seems like they cannot wait to get on a platform and try things out. So we are very, very excited about from that. A lot of them, yeah. I would say 70% of the people who are coming here are actual software engineers who do code day in and day out. We have our office hours area, little area over here. We sit with them, we do demonstration, we tell them what Akamai does and what kind of scale we have for developers. So definitely, yes, we have lots of people who are coders and we're getting one-on-one time with them. Oh, definitely. We have already run out of our stacks, so you can understand how much traction we are getting. We are having huge number of people coming and being interested to us. Security has been a big hit, and we have such a big offering in security. People are loving it. I'm very happy to be here, and I really think this is a great investment.